As the Orange Democratic Movement's delegates from Kajiado County, we're gathered here today to have a meeting in readiness for the National Delegates Convention that's coming, that has been called by the party. There are certain political characters who have gathered themselves in a little cabal, and they're trying to scuttle the leadership of the party. And we are saying that our party leader remains to be Dr. Oburu Oginga. We as the young people and as the delegates, and we said this, that we will traverse the entire country looking for votes for our party leader to protect his position in the party. I have seen our deputy party leader saying that the Orange Democratic Movement is being run from State House. If a deputy party leader can say such reckless statements, he should resign from the party. Even him, we can field a candidate as a youth to find a deputy party leader from there. Yes. And that's why we're saying them and those other characters who are joking around, trying to play cheap politics of undermining Daktari Oburu Oginga's leadership, we will not allow it, and we will win and defeat them terribly at the National Delegates Convention. The other thing which we are saying, there are certain politicians who are saying that there will be protests next week. We as the broad-based youth of this country are saying that we will not engage in any further bloodshed in this country without getting the proper compensation. They are trying to fight the compensation of victims of police brutality in court. They do not want us to go forward, and we are saying they should tell us those protests they've been leading, what have they done? Because when we went to the streets last year, we got the broad-based government, and we are saying we, the young people, will decide who leads that broad-based government. And we have said Daktari Oburu Oginga should go ahead and negotiate on his own terms. He will not be cajoled or bullied. He's the party leader and the presidential candidate. He does not negotiate with anyone apart from Dr. William Samoei Ruto, who is doing a tremendous job. We've seen some capitation going from to the schools. We've seen the number of employment in teachers increasing, but we've also seen him in Kisumu disbursing the Nyota Fund. We ask him to also keep doing the good work. These politicians who want to joke around, we will demur them from the party. If they think they can joke with us, it is our time as young people. And we are telling them, even we, the young people, we, the youth, will fill candidates in all those offices, apart from the office of the party leader, who remains to be Dr. Oburu Oginga. ODM. ODM.